Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 strategies you need to know to become a millionaire by 2025. That's right, hitting that 7-figure net worth goal is totally achievable, even if it seems like a distant dream right now. Now look, I'm not gonna sit here and promise you'll get rich quick, that's just not realistic. But what I can promise is that by implementing these proven strategies, you'll be setting yourself up for serious financial success. It's all about putting in the work, staying consistent, and making smart decisions with your money. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down each strategy step by step, giving you actionable advice you can use right away. Remember, the name of the game is building wealth over time, and it all starts today. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Look, I get it. The stock market can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to investing. But trust me, it's one of the most powerful wealth-building tools out there. And the best part, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. The key is to start early. Seriously, the sooner you begin investing, even with small amounts, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compound interest. Think of it like a snowball effect. As you invest consistently, your returns generate even more returns, and over time, that snowball turns into an avalanche of wealth. Now, I'm not talking about gambling on risky penny stocks. Diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you're minimizing risk and setting yourself up for long-term sustainable growth. Remember, investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but by staying consistent, diversifying your portfolio, and taking a long-term approach, you'll be amazed at how much your wealth can grow. Let's face it, everyone needs a place to live, right? But real estate is more than just a roof over your head. It can also be a powerful wealth-building tool. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. One of the best things about real estate is the potential for passive income. By investing in rental properties, you can generate a steady stream of cash flow each month, even while you sleep. And let's not forget about appreciation. Historically, real estate tends to increase in value over time, which means your initial investment can grow significantly. Of course, real estate investing does come with its own set of challenges. You'll need to do your research, understand the market, and be prepared to handle things like tenant issues and property maintenance. But with the right knowledge and strategy, real estate can be a fantastic way to build long-term wealth and create financial freedom. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I can barely afford my rent. How am I supposed to buy a rental property? Listen, I've been there. Start small. Maybe it's a duplex where you live in one unit and rent out the other. Or consider partnering with someone to invest in a property together. The key is to take that first step and get started. Chapter 3. Look, relying on just one income stream is so old school. In today's world, it's all about diversifying your income and creating multiple streams of revenue. And that's where side hustles come in. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others might be willing to pay for? Whether it's freelance writing, web design, social media management, or even dog walking, there are endless possibilities to make extra money in your spare time. The beauty of a side hustle is that it allows you to experiment with different business ideas, develop new skills, and potentially even turn your passion into a full-time gig down the line. Plus, the extra cash flow can be a game changer when it comes to reaching your financial goals faster. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I'm already working a full-time job, I don't have time for a side hustle. Listen, I get it. Time is precious. But even dedicating a few hours a week to a side hustle can make a huge difference over time. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Chapter 4. Okay, let's be real. You can't build wealth if you're spending every penny you earn. It's time to ditch the keeping up with the Joneses mentality and embrace the power of saving and budgeting. First things first, track your expenses. Seriously, you'd be surprised how much money slips through the cracks each month without you even realizing it. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Look for areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving a significant portion of your income. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious choices with your money. And here's a pro tip: automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. That way, you'll consistently be putting money aside without even having to think about it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Chapter 5. Listen, in today's rapidly changing world, the only constant is change. And that means if you want to stay ahead of the curve and achieve financial success, you need to be committed to continuous learning. This doesn't necessarily mean going back to college and getting another degree. There are tons of affordable and accessible resources available online, like online courses, podcasts, books, and even YouTube channels like mine. The key is to make learning a habit. And don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, reach out to mentors in your field. You never know where a new connection might lead. Building a strong professional network can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and valuable insights. Remember, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. By continuously expanding your knowledge, skills, and network, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success in any field, especially when it comes to building wealth. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let's make 2025 the year you become a millionaire. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and consistency. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices with your money, investing in yourself, and taking action. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you most excited to implement? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with anyone else who's ready to level up their finances and achieve their financial dreams.